Hi guys, so I hope you like my outfit, and this is my bra. So go then. So I just my sister buy it for me, so I look so sexy. So um here. And this is the outfit. Yeah, I think it's not it's good in mirror. Love it. I love it.
Ayun, puntahan natin customer! Tumawag!
So
Hindi.
this is a fake broad. It's gonna be dead. So look, I like to use it because it's like just actually I'm just gonna be in it. I'm just 17. So I'm now 17 before I'm just 16. So before I didn't have boobs because when I was little baby, when I was kid, I always make it like that. So now I cannot use it, and now it's not going off. It's just like that. It's just like that. Just like that. Now. It's just like that. So I hope you guys love my effective. So because you know why I dress up like this. You know why? Um. Now I'm gonna go to a restaurant because my dad and my mom gonna celebrate my party, and two times I'm just gonna celebrate it in the restaurant in this pizzeria house.
Ayun, pinagagawa mo dyan, nag-board ka na yata, lock mo.
Hindi,
Maga ko eh.
nagsasalita lang ako.
Alam ko na siguro nagsasalita mo sa
Hindi, dito oh.
Ano na?
So, it's good. It's really good. So, I like I'm happy because it's my birthday. You know, guys, I know everybody loves birthday. You know, birthday is special. You know why? Birthday is what is special because it's was your birthday. But I don't know what is new. So, I think, and you know, guys, my sister, she is this because she's so fat, and not my another sister. So my another sister used this. Now it's cracking, so I just use it because I don't have any tights that's like because now it was a short. This is was a short, but this is it's like this and with short down. But I like to use this with jeans. It's color black and it's beautiful when you see it. You cannot see because it's something light. So I'm just gonna open the light here so you can see me. Because you're gonna see me. Good. So
Ginagawa mo dyan?
wala po.
Ha?
Wala po. Ayos lang.
Away lang sila. Away na naman. Ha?
But now I'm just gonna open and wait, guys.
Uwi ka na, mama. Ubus mo na yung phone. Dami-dami pa, oh. Ano nga, diniscuss mo muna? Hindi ka, anak sa. Hindi mo ba bayaan mo na? Hindi na lang gawin ko ngayon mama. Ayun lang. Ito. Sige,
So it's good. Now it's so I can say so, guys. If you like my videos, subscribe this, guys. Subscribe this, guys. You know you need to subscribe this because if you want to subscribe it, you can subscribe it. But if you don't like it, so don't subscribe. You just leave it alone. Now just wait. I'm just gonna see. This is my panel light. If they are there, then I'm gonna subscribe, and I'm gonna surprise them, so they will be like my outfit. So I'm just gonna look to the camera scooter now. So guys, after they eat it, I'm gonna dance. So if you like it, thank you. Okay, bye guys.